Hi mga kawawmat, in this video we will discuss systems of linear inequalities in two variables. So our objectives, we will solve systems of linear inequalities in two variables and we will graph systems of linear inequalities in two variables. So let us recall the concept of linear inequality in two variables. Balikan muna natin, ano nga ba yung linear inequality? So kung ano nga ito, yung kung gusto nyo ng mas malinaw na discussion about linear inequality, you may watch our video tutorial about this bago po ito. Okay? So, a linear inequality in two variables, again, can be written in one of the four forms. So, this is just a review. So, ito po yung apat na forms niya. Ito yung makikita natin when we talk about linear inequality. So, makikita mo na dyan si greater than, si less than, si greater than or equal, at si less than or equal. Okay? Now, always remember that your A, B, and C are real numbers. And your A and B should not be equal to 0. So, yan po ang tatandaan kapag sinabi nating linear inequality in two variables. Now, since this is about systems of linear inequalities in two variables, what is systems of linear inequalities in two variables? So, ano nga ba ito? So, na-define na natin ang linear inequality. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng systems of linear inequalities? Okay. So, systems of linear inequalities is actually the combination. So, ito yung two or more linear inequalities considered together. So, kapag ang linear inequality mo ay hindi na lang isa, meron ka ng two or more linear inequalities na magkakasama, ibig sabihin that is already systems. Okay? Just like the concept in systems of linear equations, kung babalikan natin yung discussions natin about systems of linear equations, ganun din po ito. So, ganun lang po siya, kagaya lang po nung systems of linear equations. Ang pinagkaiba niya lang po is yung symbol. So, nagbabago na po tayo ng symbol pagdating sa inequalities. Okay? So, again, systems of linear inequalities are two or more linear inequalities considered together. So, pag meron ka ng two or more na linear inequalities na magkakasama, that means systems of linear inequalities na po. Okay? So, let's have an example. So, halimbawa ito. So, we have two ways of writing systems of linear inequality. So, kagaya nga ng equation, meron tayong tinatawag na standard form na pwede mo ring isulat into slope-intercept form. So, itong dalawang form na to ang mai-encounter natin when we are solving systems of linear inequalities. Okay. So, sa ganitong paraan siya minsan nakasulat, naka-standard form yung linear inequality mo. Minsan naman, naka-slope-intercept form, or sometimes, it is a combination of two. Minsan, yung isa, naka-standard form, yung isa, naka-slope-intercept form. So, mamaya sa example natin, ipapakita ko paano mag-solve at mag-graph ng systems of linear inequalities kapag halimbawa naka-standard form siya at yung isa naka-slope-intercept form. So, ipapakita ko tong dalawa para kung yun man ang given, you know what to do. Okay. So, let's have a solution to a system of linear inequalities in two variables consists of an ordered pair that satisfies both inequalities. So, kagaya nga rin po ng linear equations, ganun din po ito. So, pag sinabi nating systems of linear inequalities, dapat yung ordered pair mo mag-satisfy siya, hindi lang po doon sa first inequality. Dapat sa kanilang dalawa. So, dapat kapag nag-substitute ka ng ordered pair, ng coordinates na x and y, dapat mag-true siya dun sa first inequality mo, ganun din sa second inequality. Dapat pareho siyang true. Okay, let's have an example. So, I have here a system of x plus 2y is greater than 11, and then negative 2x plus y is less than or equal to negative 7. So, itong dalawang ito. So, we need to look for the solution. So, let's get some ordered pair. And then, let's see if 6, 3 is a solution to the given system. Okay? So, tingnan natin paano ba natin malalaman na solution siya or hindi. Isa-substitute mo to, si x at si y, dito sa dalawang inequalities mo. Okay, so pag sinubstitute mo ito dito si 6 sa x, si 3 sa y, dapat parehong mag-true statement siya. Okay? So kapag nag-true statement siya pareho, ibig sabihin solution. Solution siya. Kapag kahit isa lang dyan nag-false, ibig sabihin hindi siya solution. Okay? So we need to get 2. Dapat dalawang true statement. Okay, so let's solve for the first inequality. So substitute natin 6 and 3. So we will get 6 plus 6. So that is 6 plus 6, that is 12. Is 12 greater than 11? Yes, so this is a true statement. Okay, punta tayo sa pangalawang inequality. Negative 2x plus y is less than or equal to negative 7. So substitute natin si 6 at 3 dito. So this is negative 12 and then positive 3. So this is negative 12 plus 3, that is negative 9. Is negative 9 less than or equal to negative 7? Yes, mas mababa po si negative 9 kay negative 7. So this is also a true statement. So therefore, since lumabas dito na pareho siyang true, since both inequalities are true, then the ordered pair 6, 3, it should be 6, 3. Then the ordered pair 6, 3 is a solution of the system. So, ito pong ating ordered pair nito, ibig sabihin solution siya. Bakit? Kasi parehong nag-true. So, this is how we determine if the given ordered pair is a solution to the system. So, kapag yung ordered pair mo, nag-satisfy siya sa dalawang inequalities, ano ba ibig sabihin ng nag-satisfy? Parehong lumabas na true statement after mo sinubstitute yung ordered pair. So, kapag parehong nag-true yan, ibig sabihin solution. Okay, let's have another. Ang 5, 3 kaya ay solution din. So, let us solve. I-solve natin siya dun sa dalawang inequalities natin. So, solve, we will substitute 5 dito and then dito 3. Okay. So, we will have 5 plus 2 times 3, that is 6. So, we will get 11. Ang 11 ba is greater than 11? No. 11 is equal to 11. Okay, so kung may equal siya dito, true statement siya. Kaya lang, wala namang equal dito sa ating greater than, so ibig sabihin, this will become false. Okay? Again ha, 11 is not greater than 11. They are equal. So, kung ang symbol, kung ang inequality mo rito ay greater than or equal, this will become true. But since wala tayong equal sign dito sa ilalim, ibig sabihin, that makes your statement false. Okay? Punta tayo sa second inequality. Ganun ulit, substitute natin si 5 and 3. So, this is negative 2 times 5, that is negative 10, and then plus 3. So, negative 10 plus 3, that is negative 7. So, kagaya nito. Negative 7 is less than or equal to negative 7. So, since may equal dito, and they are the same, they are equal, so this is true. But, since it does not satisfy the first inequality, then the ordered pair 5, 3 is not a solution of the system. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ko, kailangan mag-satisfy siya sa parehong inequalities. So kahit nag-true ito, kung yung isa ay false, hindi pa rin siya solution. So therefore, 5, 3 is a solution to the given system, but 5, 3 is not a solution to the given system, but 6, 3 is a solution. Okay? So, ito po ang paraan kung paano natin malalaman na solution siya or hindi. So, kapag hindi siya nag-true pareho, ibig sabihin not a solution. If it's both true, that is a solution. Alright, so let's have another example. So I have here 3x plus y is less than 4 and y is less than or equal to negative 4x plus 3. So ito yung sinasabi ko, no, minsan yung system mo isang naka-standard form, isang slope intercept form. So kapag ganito, same procedure pa rin naman tayo. So yung previous example natin, parehong naka-standard form yon. So minsan, ang binibigay sa atin na systems of linear inequalities are isang naka-standard form, yung isa naka-slope intercept form. So, ganun pa rin naman, okay? So, kapag ganito ang binigay, same process ng pag-check kung solution or not a solution. So, let's check if 1,4 is a solution to the given system. So, substitute natin si xy. Ang x natin ay 1, ang y natin ay 4. So, lagay natin siya dito sa dalawang inequalities natin. So, kapag nag-true siya pareho, that means solution. Okay? So, substitute natin si 1,4. So, that is 3 plus 4. So, 7 is less than 4. Is 7 less than 4? No. So, this is false. Okay? Punta tayo sa pangalawang inequality. So, substitute natin. Take note ha, baka malito tayo. Ito po ay y. So, 4 ang isa-substitute natin dito. And then, for x, we have 1. So, 4 is less than or equal to negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4, plus 3. So, we will have 4 is less than or equal to negative 4 plus 3, that is negative 1. So, therefore, is this true? Ang 4 ba ay less than or equal to negative 1? No, that is false. Okay? So, since both inequalities are false, then the ordered pair 1, 4. Etong ordered pair natin is not a solution of the system. Okay? So, ang titingnan nyo lagi, dapat mag-true siya pareho sa parehong inequalities. Okay? So, kapag nag-false siya, ibig sabihin, kahit isa lang dyan, hindi na siya solution. Okay, let's continue. So, let's try negative 4, 6. Tingnan natin kung ang negative 4, 6 ba ay solution or not. So, substitute natin siya sa dalawang inequalities natin. So, we will have negative 4 and 6. So, yun ang ilalagay natin. And then, 3 times negative 4, that is negative 12, plus 6, so that is negative 6 is less than 4. Ang negative 6 ba ay mas mababa sa 4? So, this is true. Okay, proceed tayo dito sa pangalawa. So, this is 6, kasi yun ang y natin, and then this is negative 4. So, 6 is less than or equal to, multiply mo to, that is positive 16 plus 3. So, 16 plus 3, that is 19. Ang 6 ba ay less than or equal to 19? Yes, mas mababa siya sa 19. So, that is true. Okay? Now, since both inequalities are true, then the ordered pair negative 4, 6 is a solution of the system. So, ito po ay solution, ito hindi. Okay? Now, lagi lang bang isa ang solution ng system natin? Hindi po. Kaya, ito po ang susunod. Dapat marunong tayong mag-graph ng systems of linear inequalities in two variables. Why? Kapag nag-graph tayo ng system, pag ginraph natin ito, makikita natin lahat ng solutions na magsasatisfy dito sa ating inequalities. So, kapag ganito, random ka lang nakukuha ng ordered pair, i-check mo, isosolve mo, hindi kagaya kapag nakagraph sila, makikita mo kagad kung solution siya or not. Okay, so let's proceed to the graphing of systems of linear inequalities in two variables. So let's have the first one. So in graphing systems of linear inequalities in two variables, dapat alam mo kung paano mag-graph ng linear inequality in two variables. So 'di ba na-discuss ko 'yon sa ating previous video tutorial bago po ito. So yung parang pangalawang video, panoorin nyo muna yon para ma-practice tayo kung paano mag-graph ng linear inequality into variable. Kasi yon, pag nasanay kang mag-graph ng linear inequality, madali na yung systems. Kasi ganun din naman ito. Ang pinagkaiba lang, ito dalawa na siya. Okay? So, pag natutunan mong mag-graph ng linear inequality, madali na rin to sa'yo. Kasi dito, ang pinagkaiba lang po, dalawa na po ito. Okay? So, dapat napanood nyo muna yung previous tutorial para mas maintindihan nyo to. Kasi kung dumiretso kayo dito, mahihirapan kayong intindihin siya kung hindi nyo napanood yung previous. Okay? So, etong system natin, yung isa naka-standard form, yung isa naka-slope intercept form. Okay? So, kapag ganito ang given mo, so, eto nga yung example na sinasabi ko na magpapakita ako na isang naka-standard, isang naka-slope intercept para alam nyo kung anong gagawin, kung anong form ang binigay sa inyo. Now, halimbawa po na pareho siyang naka-standard, edi parehong intercept method ang gagamitin mo. Okay? Kung pareho siyang naka-slope intercept, edi parehong slope intercept method. Okay. So, since magkaiba sila, papakita ko yung magkaiba. Okay? Now, intercept method, ito ay gagamitin mo kapag naka-standard form yung inyong inequality. Okay? So, intercept method, ito yung kinukuha natin yung ating intercepts. Okay? So, ito po ay na-discuss ko na dun sa tutorial natin ng system ng linear inequality. So, dapat napanood yun. Kaya gagawin natin itong mabilis. So, ang unang step nga po doon ay i-rewrite mo muna siya as an equation. So, yung 4x plus 2y mo magiging equals 12. And then, get the intercept. So, kukunin natin ang intercept. So, ito, ang x-intercept niya ay 3. Dito naman, ang x-intercept niya ay, ang y-intercept niya ay 6. Okay. Now, bakit ang bilis? Kasi nga po, ito ay na-discuss na po dun sa previous tutorial. Okay? So, dapat napanood nyo muna iyon bago kayo pumunta dito. Okay, so solve and plot the intercepts. Kunin mo yung intercepts pareho. And then, ano nga yung susunod doon? Kuha ka ng test point. So, ang lagi mong gagamitin na test point ay 0, 0. Okay? So, ang lagi mong gagamitin na test point ay 0, 0. Now, copy your inequality. 4x plus 2y is less than 12. And then, substitute mo yung parehong 0. And then, you will have 0 is less than 12. Ang 0 ba is less than 12? Yes. So, this is true. Okay. Now, bakit sinolve ko na muna yung intercept saka yung test point? Para pag nag-graph tayo, given na lahat. Okay? So, given na lahat. So, i-graph natin siya sa ating Desmos graphing application. Okay. So, i-graph natin siya sa Desmos graphing application. So, ano munang unang gagawin? I-plot muna natin yung x-intercept. Ang x-intercept mo ay 3, 0. Lagyan mo ng label. And then, ang y-intercept mo is 6. So, that is 0, 6. Okay. Now, so, para mag-graph mo to, makonect mo to, i-graph mo to. I mean, i-graph mo siya using the equation. So, 4x plus 2y equals 12. Since yung intercepts mo ay sinolve mo using this. So, ito ang ilalagay mo para ma-connect mo siya, mag-graph mo. Now, eto na po siya. So, this will serve as our boundary line. Okay. Now, since nakuha na natin yung test point, di ba, lumabas true. So, ito yung test point mo. Ang test point mo, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, paulit-ulit na tayo, no? Ang test point, ito ang magsisilbing guide mo kung kasama siya sa shaded region or hindi. So, kapag nag-true siya, ibig sabihin yung test point mo kasama sa shaded region. So, dapat, since nag-true ito, ibig sabihin, dapat ang shaded region natin dito. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung dito nga ba. Okay. So, i-graph natin itong 4x plus 2y is less than 12. Okay. So, ayan po. Okay. So, nakita nyo na yung etong test point natin is contains the solution set. So, kasama siya doon sa solution. Okay? Why? Paano manalaman? Kapag nag-true siya. Okay? So, alisin na natin to. So, ayan po. As you can see, broken line ito. Ibig sabihin, paano nalalaman na broken line? Kasi po ito, tingnan nyo yung symbol natin, yung inequality. Wala siyang equal sign sa ilalim. So, yan din ang palatandaan, no? Kapag wala siyang equal sign sa ilalim, ibig sabihin broken line. Pag meron siyang equal sign, kagaya nito, makikita mo, solid yan, straight yan. Okay. Now, ano namang ibig sabihin ng broken at solid line? Broken, ibig sabihin, itong mga points na nandito sa line mo, kagaya ni 0, 6 at 3, 0, ay hindi kasama sa solution. Okay? Pero kung solid ito, lahat ng points dito sa boundary line mo, kasama si 0, 6 at 3, 0, ay kasama sa solution. Okay, so yun po ang tatandaan. Pag broken, hindi kasama itong mga points na to, itong points sa boundary line sa solution, pero kapag solid yan, kasama po. So, itong 0, 6 at 3, 0, hindi siya kasama dahil broken lines po ito. So, ang mga solutions po niya ay itong nasa shaded region. Okay, so this is the graph of our first inequality. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, since ang given natin yung pangalawa ay naka-slope intercept method, so Kapag naka-slope intercept method, wag mo nang pahirapan ng sarili mo na kukunin mo ang intercept, i-rewrite mo siya, hindi na po ganon. Okay? Ang gagawin na lang po natin, since y is less than or equal to 5x plus 4, i-rewrite mo na siya as equation. So that is y is equal to 5x plus 4 na po. Now, kukunin mo na lang yung y-intercept. Ano ba yung y-intercept yan? Diba yung 4? Okay, yung b. And then yung slope mo, which is your m, that is 5. Okay, so gano'n na lang po. Kapag naka-slope intercept form po ang iyong inequality, ang kukunin mo na lang po ay yung slope at y-intercept. No need to get the x and y intercepts. Hindi na po. So ito na lang. Kunin mo yung slope, kunin mo yung intercept. So paano siya ipaplat? Mamaya ipapakita ko. So kunin na rin natin yung test point. So we will use 0, 0 as our test point. So, gamitin na natin yung 0, 0. So, you will have y is less than or equal to 5x plus 4, and then substitute natin yung 0, 0 doon. So, 0 is less than or equal to 5 times 0, so plus 4. Okay. So, you will have 0 is less than or equal to 4. Is it true that 0 is less than 4? Yes. So, therefore, this is true. So, ibig sabihin, since true ang lumabas, yung test point natin na 0, 0 should be part of the solution. Okay. So, i-plot na natin itong slope natin. So, since ang slope mo ay 4, that is 0, 4. Okay. Lagyan natin ng label. And then, yung slope mo is 5. So, paano ba tayo nag-graph ng slope? Diba, magbibilang tayo ng 5. This is your rise. And then, yung run. So, since 5 ito, ibig sabihin, ang rise mo ay 5, ang run mo ay 1. Kasi 5 over 1 yan. So, 5, bilang tayo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, run mo is 1. Okay, pakanan. Bakit pakanan? Kasi ang slope mo ay positive. Pag ang slope mo ay negative, pakaliwa ka. Okay, so since 5 yan, positive, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ang run mo ay 1, kanan tayo kasi positive yan. So, ito po yung isang point. So, anong ordered pair kaya ito? Tingnan natin. Ito siya ha. So, anong ordered pair ito? 1 and then 9. So, 1, 9. I-plot natin siya. 1, 9. Okay, ayun siya. So, lagyan natin ng label. And then, let us graph. So, kapag nag-graph muna tayo para makonect siya, yung equation ang gagamitin natin. 5x plus 4. Ito po. Ay, asa na yun? 5x plus 4. Ayun. So, nakonect na po siya. Now, so, ito na po tayo. So, nag-plot na natin si slope at si y-intercept. Okay, ito yung test point mo. Tama? Since nag-true ito, dapat ang shaded part mo ay dito. Okay? Bakit? Para masama yung test point. Kasi nag-true siya eh. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Pag nag-true siya, kasama yung ginamit mong test point sa solution, sa shaded region. Pag nag-false, hindi mo siya isasama dun sa shaded. So, since nag-true siya, isasama natin yung test point sa shaded. So, dapat dito ang lumabas. So, tingnan natin. I-graph natin itong given. So, y is less than or equal to 5x plus 4. Okay. So, ano na natin to? Tanggalin na natin yung. So, ito po, ayan, kasama yung test point dun sa green part, dun sa green na shaded region. Kasi nag-true siya dun. Okay, now, anong ibig sabihin nito? Okay, by the way, kung mapapansin nyo, solid line ito, tama? Kasi may equal siya. So, kapag solid line ito, may equal tayo dito, yung inequality natin. Now, ang tanong, kasama ba si 1,9, itong point na to, at si 0,4 sa solution? Yes, kasi solid line siya. So, kapag solid line, kasama itong points, lahat ng points na nandito sa boundary mo sa solution. Okay? Sa solution ng y is less than or equal to 5x plus 4. Okay? Pero kung broken line, hindi po siya kasama ha. Now, since system na ang pinag-uusapan natin, system na po tayo ha. Hindi na lang siya mag-satisfy dito sa green or sa purple. Hindi na po. So, titingnan mo ngayon kung aling part yung nag-overlap. Ito, yung darker shade. Okay? So, ito yung purple mo, ito yung green. Kung saan sila nag-overlap, ibig sabihin, yun yung solution ng dalawang inequalities mo. So, hindi na lang tayo dito, nakukunin natin yung solution nito, kukunin natin yung solution nun. Hindi po. Ang kukunin natin ay solution na magsasatisfy sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? Etong green part na to, solutions nito. Etong purple part, solutions ng first inequality mo. Pero ito pong darker shade, ito po, itong nag-overlap na to, ito po ang solutions nilang dalawa. Okay? So, this is how we graph, solve and graph systems. So, kapag dalawa na po yung inequalities mo. Now, so, ibig sabihin, lahat ng nandito ay solutions nilang dalawa, including etong mga points na nandito, hanggang dito lang, hanggang dyan. Okay? Hindi na ito kasama, kasi hindi na siya kasama dun sa nag-overlap. So, kasama ito. Okay, nakuha po. So, therefore, this is the graph of ito yung 4x plus 2y is less than 12 and then y is less than or equal to 5x plus 4. Ito na po yung graph niya. Okay? Now, okay. So, given this graph of the systems of linear inequalities, tatandaan that the intersection o kung saan nag-overlap, okay? Kung yung intersection niya, ito po yung intersection, kung saan siya nag-overlap, yung shaded region na to represents the solution of the system. And remember that any point in this region has coordinates that satisfy both inequalities. So, etong part na to, ito po yung ginraph natin kanina, ito po ang solutions niya ng ating systems. Okay? Now, kung tatanungin kayo, what are the solutions o give some ordered pairs na solutions ng ating system, so madali mo na siyang makikita. Ano-ano yung mga ordered pairs na solution nitong system natin. So, madali mo na makikita. Kukuha ka lang ng ordered pair na nandito sa part na to. Okay. So, these are some of the ordered pairs na solutions ng ating system. 2, negative 8. Ayan, kasi nandun siya sa darker shade. And then 0, negative 4, negative 2, negative 14. So, itong tatlo, these are some. Iilan lang po ito sa solutions ng system natin. So, kagaya nga ng sabi ko, mas madaling makita ang mga solutions ng system kapag nakagraph siya. Kasi, ayan, kung ano yung darker shade, kung saan nag-overlap yung intersection nila, yun po ang mga solutions niya. Okay? Next. So, I have here x plus y is less than 3, and then y is greater than or equal to 2/5 x plus 3. Okay, so again, isang naka-standard form, isang naka-slope intercept form. Now, so ipapakita ko nga, so kagaya nga kanina, nagbibigay ako ng example na magkaiba para alam nyo kung anong gagawin. Now, kung pareho silang naka-standard form, edi parehong intercept method ang gagamitin mo. Kung parehong naka-slope intercept form, parehong naka-slope intercept method ang gagamitin mo. Okay? So, let's solve for the intercept. So, x plus y is equal to 3. So, lagi po natin i-rewrite as equation. So, x plus y is equal to 3. So, ayan po. Therefore, our x-intercept is 3. And then, our y-intercept is 3 also. Okay? Now, kuha na tayo ng test point para pag nag-graph tayo mamaya, dire-diretso. So, test point natin is 0, 0. So, substitute natin yung 0, 0 dun sa x, y. Ang 0 ba is less than 3? Yes. So, true. So, dapat, etong test point natin ay kasama dun sa solution, sa shaded region. Okay? And then, isolve na rin natin yung isa pa. So, mamaya na natin sabay-sabay i-graph. So, slope-intercept method naman, kasi naka-slope intercept form siya. So, kunin mo ngayon yung y-intercept. Ano ba ang y-intercept niya? 3. Ito po yung y-intercept. And then, ang slope niya is 2/5. So, ito yung rise, ito yung run. Okay? Ito yung rise, ito yung run. Pag nag-graph tayo mamaya. And then, since positive ang slope mo, pa-right ang run mo dyan. Now, kuha rin tayo ng test point 0, 0. Substitute natin dito yung 0, 0 sa x at sa y. So, ang lalabas, ang magiging result na is 0 is greater than or equal to 3. Is it true that 0 is greater than or equal to 3? No. This is false. So, ibig sabihin, dapat itong test point mo hindi siya kasama dun sa shaded region ng inequality na to. Okay? So, let us graph. Okay, let us graph. So, una mo natin i-graph yung first inequality natin. So, ang slope niya is 3, 0. Ang x-intercept 3, 0, ang y-intercept 0, 3. So, 3, 0. Lagyan ng label. And then 0, 3. Lagyan ng label. And then, para makonect natin, we will use yung equation. Okay? So, x plus y equals 3. Ayun, na-connect na po. Now, so ang test point natin, ang lumabas ay true. So, ibig sabihin, yung test point mo na 0, 0 kasama sa shaded region. Okay? So, i-graph na natin itong x plus y. X plus y is less than 3. Ayun, so kasama siya. Okay? So, tanggalin na natin ito. So, ito yung ating boundary line, ha? Laging yan ang ating boundary line. Now, as you can see, yung ating boundary line ay broken lines or dashed line. So, ibig sabihin, tingnan nyo, wala kasi siyang equal doon. So, yun ang palatandaan natin. Okay? Next, i-graph naman natin yung ating second inequality. So, unahin muna palagi yung y-intercept. That is 0, 3. Lagyan ng label. Okay? And then next, ito si 0, 3, doon din siya. Ayun, baka kasi hindi nyo nakita. And then, ang slope natin is 2 over 5. So, this is your rise, this is your run. Bilang tayo. Dalawa, rise, 1, 2. And then, ang run natin ay 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ulitin ko. 1, 2, ang rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bakit ako pa kanan? Kasi positive ang ating slope. So, dapat ang point natin ay dito. So, anong ordered pair ito? 5, 5. Okay, so i-plot natin si 5, 5. Okay, ayun. Now, para makonect natin ito, tsaka yun, i-graph natin ito. Si y equals 2/5 x 2/5 x plus 3. Okay. So, ayun na. Na-connect na natin si 0, 3 at yung ordered pair natin na 5, 5. Lagyan natin ng label. Ayun. Now, so, ang test point natin ay, ano ang test point natin? Nag-fall siya. 'Di ba? So, hindi naman mas malaki ang 0 sa 3. So, since nag-fall siya, ibig sabihin, dapat itong shade na to ng blue na boundary line mo, hindi kasama si 0. So, ibig sabihin sa kabilang side dapat to. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. So, let us graph. Okay, copy-paste na lang natin to. And then, palitan na lang natin ito ng greater than or equal. Okay, ayun. So, as you can see, yung green shade natin, yung shaded region natin dun sa second inequality, hindi kasama yung test point kasi nag-fall siya dun. Okay? Now, so, bakit ito solid? Solid siya kasi meron tayong equal sign dito sa ating inequality. So, greater than or equal. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng points na dito naglalay are all part of the solution. Okay? So, this is the graph of the system x plus y is less than 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2/5 x plus 3. So, alin dito ang solutions? Kung ano po yung nag-overlap, kung ano itong darker shades natin. Including this point, kasama tong point na to, hanggang dito, yan, kasama yan. Pero itong mga points na to, hindi po yan kasama kasi broken line. Okay, so, all of this, including yung points na naglalay dito. Okay, so this is the graph of the system. Alright, so this is the graph of the system. So, tatandaan na the intersection o kung saan sila nag-overlap, ito yung solution niya. Itong nire-represent ng shaded region, itong darker shades, yan po ang solution nila. Okay? So, and then, any point. Kaya kahit anong point dito, kahit anong point, including this, hanggang dito, yan. Kasi solid ito hindi kasama ha, kasi broken. So, lahat yan solutions of the given system. So, kaya mas madaling makita kung ano yung mga ordered pairs na solution ng system na to. Sige nga, magbigay tayo. Some of the ordered pairs satisfying the system of inequalities are negative 4, 2. So, tingnan natin. Ayun, nasa loob siya nung shaded, darker shade. So, ibig sabihin, solution siya. And then, negative 6, 6. Tingnan natin. Ayun. And also, negative 10, 0. So, since nasa loob pa rin naman siya nung darker shade, solution siya nitong system. Okay? So, kahit ano dyan, pwede. Hindi lang po itong tatlo. Okay? So, let's have the next one. What if you have this? So, paano kapag ganito ang given mo? Okay, so tatlo. Actually, hindi to into variables pero kung paano kung ganito ang binigay. So, kapag ganyan ang binibigay sa atin, okay, so rewrite the inequality, so magiging x is equal to negative 2, and then yung isa, y is equal to 3. So, makukuha mo kagad yung x-intercept at y-intercept. Pero, tingnan mabuti ha, ito pong first inequality mo, x-intercept lang ang makukuha mo. Bakit? Kasi isang variable lang siya. Etong second inequality mo, y-intercept lang ang makukuha mo. Kasi wala naman siyang x. Okay? Wala siyang isang variable. Now, susunod natin, since ito meron siyang dalawang variables at naka-slope intercept siya, naka-slope intercept form, then therefore ang kukunin natin ay yung slope at yung y-intercept. Okay? So, ito po, kinuha natin yung slope. Ang slope niya ay 1 kasi 1 ito, and then ang y-intercept niya is negative 1. Now, ang tanong po, bakit sige, kunin muna natin yung test point. So, a test point, para mamaya pag nag-graph tayo, dire-diretso. So, test point, i-check natin. Substitute natin pareho ang 0, 0. Ayun. So, from here, so y is greater than x minus 1. So, ang lumabas, 0 is greater than negative 1. Is this true? Yes. Mas malaki si 0 sa lahat ng negative numbers. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, bakit dito sa first inequality natin at sa second inequality natin, hindi ako gumamit ng test point? Di ba ang test point, gagamitin mo yan para malaman mo kung anong part ang isa-shade mo. Okay? So, kapag nag-true, ibig sabihin, dun ka sa part ng origin mag-shade. Kapag false, hindi ito kasama. Now, bakit dito sa dalawang inequalities natin, hindi ko kinuhanan ng test point? Kasi po, tatandaan na kapag isa lang po ang variable natin, ang pag-graph, ang pag-solve at ang pag-graph niyan, it's either right or left lang po ng boundary line. So, kapag ginraph mo to, pinlat mo to, at x ang variable mo, it's either right lang siya or left ang isi-shade mo. Paano mo malalaman na right or left? Kapag greater, right, or greater than or equal. Kapag less than or equal, left. Okay? Sa y naman, paano siya i-graph? So, since y ay pa-horizontal, diba? I mean, pa-vertical. So, it's either above or below lang po siya ng boundary line. So, mamaya ipapakita natin. So, kapag isa lang po yung variable mo, kapag less than to or less than or equal, ang graph niya ay below. Kapag greater than or equal, ang graph niya ay above. So, ito, greater than, ibig sabihin right ang graph nito. Ito, less than, below. Okay? So, i-graph natin sa Desmos. Okay, i-graph natin itong x-intercept. Tingnan nyo ang lalabas ha. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. Okay, so as you can see, nasa right yung shaded niya. Okay, kasi po, kaya hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng test point kapag isa lang yung variable mo. Ito lang po siya, right or left. Right kapag ito, greater than or equal. So, since greater than siya, nasa right. Okay, graph natin yung y is less than 3. Okay, so ito yung 3. Ito yung 3. Ipaplat mo muna yung negative 2 ha. So, di ba since negative 2 ito yung negative 2 bago ka mag-graph. And then, yung 3, since 3 ito, yung y-intercept mo, ito yung 3. So, nag-graph na tayo. Now, So, as you can see, below siya. Bakit nasa baba? Kasi less than ito. Okay, so ito lang tatandaan. Kapag isa lang yung variable mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng test point. Kapag ganito, right or left lang or above or below. Okay? So, this is the graph of your first two inequalities. Ito naman. So, i-plot natin si y-intercept 0, negative 1. Kasi tatlo yung inequality natin eh. Ayun si 0, negative 1. Now, i-plot natin si slope. So, ang slope natin is 1. Ibig sabihin, rise over run natin 1 over 1. So, 1, isang angat, and then 1 dito. Okay? So, anong ordered pair to? This is 1, 0. Okay, so lagay natin 1, 0. Yan. So, bakit dyan? Again, from here, up, up. Laging 1 kasi ang slope natin ay 1. Now, connect natin siya. So, you will have y is equal to x minus 1. Ayun. So, ayan na po. Now, from here, since true ito, dapat itong test point mo, kasama, dito ang graph niya. Dapat. Kasi kasama dapat to. So, graph natin siya, y is greater than x minus 1. Okay, so ayun po. Now, sige, tanggalin na natin ito. So, ito po yung boundary line natin. As you can see, broken line siya. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, tingnan nyo yung kapag tatlo ang inequalities, ibig sabihin tatlo ang graph mo dyan. Itong pink shade, ito yung graph ng first inequality. Etong blue shade sa baba, ito yung graph ng second inequality. At itong nakapa-diagonal natin, pataas, itong pink shade, sige, palitan natin ito ng kulay para makita natin yung pagkakaiba ng kulay nila. So, gawin natin siyang purple or black. Okay, so ayan. Now, ito yung pink shade, yung blue shade, yung Y, ito yung sa pangatlong inequality mo. Now, paano natin malalaman ang solutions kapag tatlo ang inequalities? So, dito ka titingin. Ito po etong darker shades, yung kung saan nag-overlap yung tatlo, yan po ang ating solutions ng tatlong inequalities. Okay? So, therefore, this is the graph. Ito po siya. Ito po siya. So, kung makikita nyo, nag-overlap siya dito. Yung tatlong graph natin, nag-overlap siya dito. Therefore, dito natin makikita lahat ng solutions. Okay? Now, kung dito, meron bang paraan na malalaman natin yung mas madaling paraan kung saan ang graph without using the test point? Kasi dito, kahit hindi ka gumamit ng test point, malalaman mo, right or left, above or below. So, dito, paano mo naman malalaman kung above or below siya? So, kapag dalawa ang variables mo, make sure na isa lang dapat ang variable na nasa left side. So, paano malalaman? Since ito ay greater than, ganun din. Kapag greater than, ibig sabihin above. Kapag less than ito or less than or equal, below. Now, paano malalaman kung saan ang above at below? So, ito yung boundary line, di ba? So, isipin mo para kang nakatayo dyan. So, kung ito yung line mo, okay, ito yung line mo, para kang nakatayo, dapat nakatingala ka dun sa graph. Kapag nakatingin ka sa graph na nakataas ang head mo, ibig sabihin above yon. Okay, so mamaya ipapakita ko paano pag below. Okay, so let's proceed to the next example. So, dito naman, paano kapag given yung graph, tapos, kayo maghahanap ng inequality. So, baliktad naman. Given yung graph and then kayo maghahanap ng inequality. So, dito i-apply natin yung nakayoko at yung nakatingala para malaman natin kung greater than or less than. So, ang una mong titingnan dyan, eto muna. So, focus muna tayo dito sa blue shade. Dito muna tayo sa blue shade na to. Okay? So, dito sa blue shade natin, ito yung dalawang points mo. Since meron kang point na nasa y-intercept, therefore, slope-intercept method na ang gamitin mo. Laging ganon. Kung nakita mo merong naka-plot dun sa y-intercept, yun na ang gamitin mo, mas mabilis. So, ang y-intercept mo is 2. Okay? Ang slope mo, paano makukuha ang slope? 2. Bakit? Kasi rise is 2. And then 1. Run. Okay? So, 1, 2 over 1. So, 2 over 1 is still 2. So, therefore, ang equation mo, y is equal to 2x plus 2. Now, inequality ito. So, paano natin malalaman na greater than ito, less than? Okay. So, unang-una mong tingnan mo yung line, broken siya. So, ibig sabihin, it's either greater than or less than. So, tayo ka rito, nakayuko ka, diba? So, ibig sabihin, below siya. Okay? The graph is below. So, kung below, less than po tayo. Okay? So, y is less than 2x plus 2. Bakit less than lang? Bakit hindi less than or equal? Kasi broken line ito. Okay? Punta tayo sa susunod. Ito naman yung pangalawa. So, yung slope mo ay nasa 3. Yung yung y-intercept pala. Yung y-intercept mo ay nasa 3. Ang slope mo, bilang tayo, rise is 1, run is 1, 2. So, 1 half. Okay? So, rise is 1, 1, 2 ang run, so 1 half. So, therefore, ang equation mo, y is equal to, substitute natin si m, 1 half x plus 3. Laging dito si m, mx plus b. Okay? Now, paano natin malalaman na less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal? So, una mong titingnan yung boundary line. Ang boundary line mo ay solid. So, kung solid ito, dapat may equal sign ito sa ilalim. Itong pangalawang inequality mo. Now, ang tanong, is it greater than or equal or less than or equal? So, nakatayo ka dito, nakatingala ka. So, ibig sabihin, greater than. Okay? Yung kanina, yung sa babae, ayan. So, nakayuko, below, so less than. Ito naman, tingin siya sa taas, so ibig sabihin greater than to. Now, do not forget, may equal sign dapat kasi solid yung boundary line mo. Okay? So, therefore, the system of inequalities that defines the region is, eto yung dalawang inequality mo, y is less than 2x plus 2, and y is greater than or equal to 1 half x plus 3. So, minsan kasi baliktad, ibibigay yung graph, ikaw maghahanap naman ng inequality. So, ganun po. Okay? Now, think about this. So, I have here 3 questions. Hindi natin ito sasagutan dito. I want you to share. Gusto kong i-share nyo ang inyong mga sagot sa ating comment section. Tingnan natin kung naintindihan ng ating discussion. Do not forget to like the video and share this to your classmates and friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo for more video tutorials. This is your guide in learning your math lessons, your Wow Math channel.